a decorative envelope journal to store happy mail. To find out more, stay tuned. So here I'm using 9 by 12 inch manila envelopes and using 6 of them, folding all 6 before it is assembled. And it alternates between the top of the envelope opening, back and forth to left side, right side, so that the journal does not become too bulky on one side of the journal. I suggest you use a cutting mat because you'll be using the awl. And I already drew the center line, but the two center holes are punched on both sides of the center line. Then at about 1 inch from the top and 1 inch from the bottom. Then eyeballing it to be the center, between the center hole and the hole at the edges. This kit can be bought at Amazon for approximately $8. The link is down below. So you need about 4 lengths of the journal, of the wax string. And you start in one of the center holes. And you pull it as far as so that you will end up with a tail of about 5 to 6 inches. Now the rest of this, of constructing the journal, is self-explanatory. Please watch closely, and I will set this to music and see you in just a few moments. Then the string is cut to match the other tail, so they're both about 5 to 6 inches, and they will be tied in a bow, and then the bow should be tied twice. And this can be done, this finishing part could be done on the inside of your journal or the outside of your journal. And now that the journal is constructed, I like to show you some ideas for what you could do with your Happy Mail. For example, this was printed paper somebody sent me, a greeting card, postcards. Whatever you don't think you want to use for a future project, you would glue inside as for decorative pages on the inside of your journal. And then the envelopes are used for storing things that you might want to use in future projects. So postcards, greeting cards can go in that envelope. Here, this was an envelope that somebody handmade out of a calendar page. And it's that's a good thing to use as a pocket. Here's the outside of the journal. I used a fabric sash to keep the journal closed, and decorative art tissue for the outside and with washi tape. And now I'm just going to do a little walkthrough of part of the journal to give you some more ideas. So a postcard could be used as a pocket. And here, 2 greeting cards were inside each other. And then different pockets can be made with different things, like a square of cardboard was sent to me, and using that as a pocket for tags. And that's nice art tissue that goes actually with that manila color. Okay, a postcard can be used as a corner pocket, and then a belly band can be used for storing greeting cards and postcards. Here I made decorative heart pockets for an AT, that's Artist Trading Card Swap, that was Valentine swap. And that was for a Halloween Artist Trading Card Swap.